I will show you how to preserve fresh tomatoes for the winter. I'll wash it first. I will cut the tomatoes in half and clean the stem. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Now I need clean and wash jars. I will fill the jars with tomatoes. Do not fill the jars to the top. I filled the jars and now I'm going to clean and cut one pepper. I chop the pepper. I add a cleaned head of garlic. I add parsley. Now I'm going to make the dressing. I pour 1.5 liters of water into the pot. I add 2 bay leaves. I add peppercorns. 1.5 tablespoons of salt. 3 tablespoons of sugar. I add a tablespoon of 9% vinegar to each jar. I put the pan on the stove. I'll wait for the dressing to boil. The dressing has boiled and I will fill the jars. I'll wipe the top of the jar. And I close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan. I put the jars in the pot. The jars are hot, so I pour lukewarm water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove.
Od momenta kada voda proključa, pasterizovat ću 20 minuta. Pasterizacija je proces na 80 stepeni Celzijusa.
Leave the jars to cool gradually in the water and then put
Tegle
them in a
ostavite
dark
da
and
se
cool place
postepeno
until
ohlade u
use.
vodi i nakon toga ih nosite na tamno i hladno mesto do upotrebe.
If you like the recipe,
I
leave
ako
me
vam
a
se
heart in
dopada
the comment
recept,
and like.
ostavite mi
Thank
srce
you,
u
dear
komentaru
friends.
i like. Hvala vam, dragi prijatelji!